Hello guys, and today I am going to be reviewing the piano in a motion graph. This is just a little emotion graph that you can use for guidance. I will put the link down in the description box below for this graph. So let me spotlight some things here for you. So, sorry, my computer is slow today. So there's different categories, as you can see as I'm hovering over them. Now, this is just for guidance. And these are some questions that you can use to explain your emotions. So again, I will put the link down in the description box below for you to make a copy of this spreadsheet and experience it for yourself and use it in the classrooms. After this video, I will be making a playlist about the piano resources, because I do have another resource that I want to share with you. And it's going to be fun, and I'm going to record that right after this video. So, yeah, I hope this video was helpful. Again, I will put the link down in the description box below for you to make a copy of this spreadsheet. And this is AJ, and I hope my educational tutorials help. Please leave a comment down below and put a link down in the comments saying if you would like me to tutorial something, and then give me a link to a website that you would like me to tutorial or a document that you would like me to tutorial. Alright, that is my video. See you all next time.